Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great Christmas if you were celebrating. And welcome to this new video on XRP. I wanted to make a video on that because I haven't covered it in a very long time. And this morning I was looking at some cryptos and I thought, what haven't I covered in a while, which I would like to cover. And I know that there's a big community watching. And XRP is one of those, of course. And what I saw is some pretty interesting moves, all right? I mean, Bitcoin has been far from bullish in the last couple of days. It hasn't been that bearish either, but it's not rallying as much anymore as it was last week, for example. But XRP is not necessarily known for its bullish moves. I mean, basically for the last month and 1.5 week, we've just been consolidating here between let's say 64.5, 65 cents as a resistance, and then here at the bottom 58, 59 cents. That's basically been the situation for XRP. We had a bit of a breakout here Friday the 8th of December, excuse me. So that's great. But yesterday we actually did get some bullish moves, right? We got a big green candle right here, which usually means that's just a big buy order. Which normally I would say, that doesn't matter that much. I mean, that happens all the time. But the thing is that with XRP, I'm not going to tell you it's going to rally here, but I will tell you that usually when I see those moves with XRP, I do think that there's more possibilities to go up even more. Now, if you look at XRP, and I'll show you, for example, where that also happened. I mean, right here, price was also relatively bearish. Then we had one big green candle, and that was followed by quite a lot of bullish momentum. Now, it doesn't always happen. You can see, for example, right here, a big green candle just resulted in a drop afterwards. But you have to be alert, and I'll tell you what to look for and what the possibilities are. If you look at look, Bitcoin doesn't look great, so that obviously also caused a bit of bearish momentum for XRP. And if you look at XRP itself, you can see that over the last week, the open interest has actually grown quite a bit, all right? That's interesting, or at least I think that's very interesting. Now, it peaked yesterday afternoon. Since then, it dropped down quite a bit, which is not great. But this does mean that more and more momentum was building up. So that creates the possibility. Look, the main thing that XRP just has to do is break above this resistance level between 64 and 65 cents. That's the only thing we need to do. If we're able to break above that and actually hold it as support so that it's not a fake out, then we're going to rally. I mean, XRP can rally like 69, 70 cents would be my first price target, but it's possible to rally up way higher. I mean, XRP, it's been laying low for a while. It's still a great project, even though some people in the crypto communities don't agree with that. But it's still a great project. So I definitely do still think there's possibilities, but we just need to get this bullish breakout. And I would say we need to get it pretty soon, like in the next 2 days. If we're not going to get it, excuse me, I have to check that out though. If we're not going to get it in the next 2 days, then XRP is probably just going to find resistance at 63.5 cents and stay in this consolidation. Because right now there are signs of momentum, there are signs of possibilities and breakouts. But if it takes too much time, those signs will just slowly fade away. So those are my thoughts for now, I think. If you do have any questions, then of course let me know. You can also gain access to my trades and signals via the links down in the description and the pinned comment. Check that out if that sounds interesting. That's up to you. For now, have a great rest of your week. Take care and bye.